No sound on your Windows PC. Don't panic. In this video, I'll walk you through over 15 proven fixes, from quick 30-second solutions to advanced repairs. Let's get your audio back.
First, let's identify what's happening. You might see a red X on the speaker icon saying no audio output device is installed, or your speakers don't appear in sound settings at all. Maybe sound plays, but it's distorted or crackling. Or system sounds work, but your apps are completely silent. All of these are common symptoms, and they all have solutions.
Let's start with the quickest fixes. First, check your volume. Click the speaker icon on the taskbar, unmute, and raise the volume. Also, check the volume mixer for app-level muting. This alone fixes about 30% of cases. Second, select the correct output device. Click the speaker icon, tap the arrow, and pick the right device. Don't forget to check that your monitor actually has built-in speakers. Third, restart your PC. Simply go to Start, Power, and Restart. This clears temporary glitches in drivers and services. These 3 quick fixes resolve over half of all no-sound cases.
Still no luck? Let's try the built-in Troubleshooter. Open Settings, go to System, then Troubleshoot, then Other Troubleshooters. Find Audio and click Run. Follow the on-screen diagnostics. The Troubleshooter auto-detects and fixes most common audio issues. It takes less than 2 minutes, so it's definitely worth trying.
Next, let's check your audio settings. Audio enhancements are a surprisingly common cause of no sound after Windows updates. Go to Sound Settings, open Properties, then Enhancements, and disable them all. Also, turn off Spatial Audio by right-clicking the speaker icon. Set the Communications tab to do nothing. And in the Advanced tab, uncheck both exclusive mode boxes. These settings frequently conflict with Windows updates and silently kill your audio.
Now let's verify your output device and audio format. Make sure the correct device is set as the default. A monitor without built-in speakers is often accidentally selected as the default output. Select each device and click Test to check. Then check your sample rate and bit depth. Go to the Advanced tab in Device Properties. Setting 192 kHz can cause complete silence on some hardware. Try 44.1 kHz or 48 kHz instead. These are the safest and most compatible settings.
Here's the most important tier. Driver issues cause over 60% of all Windows audio problems. First, open Device Manager, expand Sound Controllers. Right-click your audio device and select Update Driver. Search automatically for the updated driver software. If that doesn't work, uninstall the device and restart your PC. Windows will reinstall the driver automatically on boot. For the best results, download the latest driver directly from Realtek, Dell, HP, or your laptop manufacturer's support page.
If the standard driver update didn't help, try these 2 alternatives. First, switch to the generic Windows audio driver. In Device Manager, right-click your audio device, choose Update Driver, then browse My Computer, then let me pick from a list. Select High Definition Audio Device. It's basic but extremely reliable. Second, roll back the driver. Go to Properties, then the Driver tab, and click Rollback Driver. This reverts to the previously working version. If the button is grayed out, no previous driver exists, so use the generic driver instead.
Let's check your Windows audio services. Press Win plus ARTA, type Services.msc, and find Windows Audio. Right-click and select Restart. Also check Windows Audio Endpoint Builder. Here's the key insight. Windows Audio depends on Audio Endpoint Builder, which depends on RPC. If any service in this chain stops, you get complete audio loss. Set both services to automatic startup type to prevent this. If Audio Endpoint Builder is stopped, no audio devices will appear in settings at all.
Time for the advanced system repair tools. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Run sfc/scano to scan and repair corrupted system files, including audio components. If SFC reports it cannot fix some files, run DISM online cleanup image restore health first. This repairs the Windows image itself. Then rerun SFC. These tools fix corrupted audio system files that no other method can reach.
Now let's understand why this happened. Corrupt drivers from Windows updates account for about 40% of all audio failures. Service crashes cause about 20%. Audio enhancement software conflicts cause about 15%. Registry corruption from driver uninstalls causes about 10%. Wrong sample rates, like setting 192 kHz on unsupported hardware, cause about 8%. And hardware issues like loose cables or a failing audio chip account for about 7%.
Here's a critical known bug. Windows 11 versions 24H2 and 25H2 shipped an incompatible Dirac audio component called cridspapo.dll. When this DLL fails to initialize, it breaks the entire audio pipeline and causes complete audio loss. This bug affects HP, Lenovo, Dell, and Asus laptops with Realtek audio. It was confirmed by Microsoft and reported by the Register. To fix it, open Sound Settings, go to Properties, then Enhancements, and check Disable all enhancements. Or remove Dirac from your driver package entirely. Then restart your PC.
Let's cover some special cases that are often overlooked. First, Intel Smart Sound Technology. Open Device Manager, go to System Devices, find Intel Smart Sound Technology, and update or uninstall it. This is a hidden culprit that can break the entire audio chain even when your Realtek driver looks fine. Second, check your BIOS. Enter BIOS at boot, find onboard audio, and make sure it is enabled. A BIOS update can sometimes reset this setting. Third, for USB audio devices, try disabling USB Selective Suspend in Power Options to prevent unexpected disconnections.
Let's make sure this doesn't happen again. First, create a system restore point before any major Windows update for instant rollback. Second, back up your working audio driver using DISM export driver. Third, consider disabling automatic driver updates in group policy to prevent surprise breakage. Fourth, keep a USB audio adapter handy as your instant fallback when internal audio fails. Fifth, save this video so you have the fix ready next time. And sixth, after every Windows update, test your audio immediately to catch issues early while rollback is still easy.
Got your sound back? If this video helped you, please take a second to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Which fix worked for you? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.